One small mistake while jump-starting your car could cause a deadly explosion. This isn't a joke or an exaggeration. Connecting the cables the wrong way can turn your car into a fire hazard without warning. Most people think you just match colors, red to red, black to black. But that simple move can cause sparks and trigger a chain reaction. The correct method is red to red and black to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the dead car. Do not connect the black cable directly to the dead battery. Sparks near a battery that's leaking hydrogen gas can ignite instantly. That's how real explosions happen during a basic jump start. If you notice a smell like rotten eggs while working with your battery, stop immediately. That's sulfur gas leaking from the battery, which is highly flammable and dangerous. One spark near that gas is enough to cause a fire or explosion. Also, never put your face or body over the battery. If it ruptures, flying metal and battery acid can cause serious injury. This is the kind of stuff no one tells you until it's too late. Here's the safe method: turn both cars off. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Now take the black clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. The final black clamp should go to a metal part of the engine block or chassis of the dead car. This prevents sparks from forming near the battery. Then start the working car first, wait a few moments, and start the dead car. When removing the cables, reverse the order carefully. Have you ever jump-started a car the wrong way and got lucky? Type "I've done it" in the comments or share your story. If something went wrong, let's see how many people are learning this for the first time. Here's one final fact most people don't realize. Your battery can explode even when your car is off. It only takes one spark and the wrong connection. People think they're helping someone, and the next second, the hood is on fire. If you don't want to be that person on the news or in a viral fail video, remember these steps and share this with someone who drives. And if you want more survival level tips like this, subscribe for more straight up facts that actually matter. Quick story. In 2021, a guy in Florida tried to jumpstart his old car. He connected both black and red cables directly to the terminals. Boom! The battery exploded right in front of him. He had burns on his arms, face, and glass shards stuck in his neck. He was lucky to survive. Turns out his battery was leaking gas and he had no idea. A simple mistake almost killed him. That's why knowing the safe steps isn't optional. It's literally life or death. Myth 1: as long as the cables touch, it'll work. False. Incorrect connections won't just fail to start your car, they can short out electronics or fry the battery. Myth 2: you can jump any car with any car. Also false. If the donor car has a smaller battery or different voltage, it could damage both cars. Always check the owner's manual if you're unsure. Myth 3: you can leave the cables on for a while. Nope. The moment the dead car starts, you should remove the cables in the right order. Leaving them too long can overcharge the battery or spike the electrical system. If you're stuck and don't have jumper cables, don't panic. Option 1: try to push start if your car has a manual transmission. Clutch in second gear, get someone to push, then release the clutch to start the engine. Option 2: call roadside assistance. Many insurance plans include this for free. Option 3: use a jump starter pack, compact power banks that can start your engine without needing another car. If you don't have one, maybe it's time to grab one and keep it in your trunk. They've saved lives more times than you'd think. Before you ever pop the hood, here's what most people miss. Wear gloves if you can. Acid burns are no joke. Never smoke or light anything near a battery. Keep kids and pets away while working, and if your battery is swollen or leaking fluid, do not try to jump it. Get it replaced. It's basically a ticking time bomb. Jump starting looks simple, but it's one of those things where one wrong move can ruin your day. Or worse, your life. This is the kind of stuff you wish someone taught you in school. So if you got value from this video, share it with someone who drives, especially if they act like they know everything. Drop a comment with the dumbest thing you've ever seen someone do with a car battery. and subscribe for more no BS tips that could actually save you one day.